How to make sure that your social media content is valuable for your clients. And social media, I mean everything, including YouTube, because YouTube is also a social media. Before we dive into this topic, I would like just to mention that my name is Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. Consider subscribing not to miss useful information that I deliver every week for you every Wednesday. I also have a course on 8 ways how to monetize your account. You can check out in the description below as well. There are some tricks how to structure your content in the way that your audience understands that to reach some goal, they have to act. So the first tip is, we talk about the content structure. The first tip is showing the gap. How do you do it? First, you show where your audience is. For example, you are a musician and you want to teach people how to play music, or you want to show them that if they improve their skills, they can really earn money online using their skills. So you can say, you always dreamt to play guitar professionally and to make a business out of it, but you never took steps towards realizing your dreams. If you take those steps, it can be some course or it can be some one-on-one consulting or whatever you offer. Yeah? If you do this, then you will be able to play guitar in the way that you can make a business out of it. Yeah? You can make a YouTube channel and earn money out of it. You can teach people how to play guitar. You can make your own online course on teaching people how to play guitar and so on. So there are different ways to monetize those skills. So this is the goal, and the initial situation was that the person was only dreaming about reaching this goal but never took steps. So you show this gap and you say, you know, if you take those steps, you will be able to reach your goal. The second trick is, actually it's not necessarily a trick, it's just the way you structure your content in the way that your target audience understands that they have to do something to fulfill their dreams. Yeah? The second one is scarcity. In this case, you can say, do you know that some people manage to monetize their Instagram accounts and some don't? Successful ones don't spend too much time on their logo and design, but they focus on providing value to their customers and on communication. So this way you show that it's not that everybody is going to be successful if you don't really get it how to get to the point. Yeah? There are many people who do it, but only a few reach the goal. So if you want to be one of those few people, you need to take some steps again. Yeah? You need to take some course, so it can be a shortcut for you to reaching your goals. Yeah? Or you can try to get all the information on your own, but in this case, it might take you a few years and still there is no guarantee that you're going to get it there. So you show that there is a scarcity in the way that if you want to be one of those who get the results, you have to act again. And the third point here is that you show how you can avoid risk aversion. For example, you are a physical trainer and you want to teach people how to be fit, how to exercise, or how to lose weight, or I don't know what. I'm not a specialist on that. So you want to show people the result. Yeah. So if you do those steps, you can become, for example, like me. Yeah. You can get muscles, or you can be fit, or something like that. Yeah. Then you show the mistakes you might take if you don't take some program or some course. Yeah. If you do it on your own, if you exercise on your own, without a trainer, you might damage your muscles, or I don't know what. I'm really not a specialist on that. Or you can, use some diets which are not healthy for you, and at the end you will ruin your health, something like that. I mean, some true mistakes. Yeah, you show the cost of it, that you might ruin your health. Yeah, making those mistakes, you might lose the ability to come back to normal. You might end up in hospital or something like that. Yeah. Or have a heart attack, or I don't know what. It's just, you can really show the costs. Or you can show also the costs in business that the person might have if one makes some business mistakes. Yeah? So this way you show how to avoid some risk. And if your audience wants to avoid the risk, then it has to take some steps again. So those are the three I would say, best ways how to structure your valuable content in the way that your potential clients understand why it is actually important to do something, to take action, and not to wait when, the happiness or the success just comes and knocks on your door. One really has to do something, towards fulfilling one's dreams. And this structure you can apply to any business situation, any situation where you have to do your marketing, It doesn't even have to be Instagram. You can do the same thing on YouTube or on other platforms. It's just the effective way of presenting the information so clear and so to the point that the audience gets immediately why it is important or valuable. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you'd like to grab some free tips on how to grow organically on Instagram, you can get them in the description below. Otherwise, watch some other videos of mine, give this video a like if it was useful, and leave me a comment if you think you're going to use those methods in your business. And I will see you next Wednesday. You can also get more information on how to be successful on Instagram in my online program, in my online course. The link is below this video. Check it out.